Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name's Dave Morrow. My mission in life is to help 100,000 veterans lose 2 million pounds. Today, I'm going to be doing a basic kettlebell workout that you can do from home that can help shed pounds and gain strength. All done in under 10 minutes, so stay tuned. Today's workout is going to be really straightforward if you're new to kettlebells. The goal is not to kill you, the goal is to get you familiarized with some of the movements. I'm going to be doing a 10-minute, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off type workout. So you're going to have a little bit of time to rest and 30 seconds of effort. I'm starting with a 24 kilogram kettlebell. You only need one. If you're starting out and you're a man, I recommend starting with 12 kilos. If you're a woman, I recommend going a little bit lower, trying to find something under the 20-pound range. So if you're ready to get after it, let's strap your shoes on, let's get your kettlebell ready, and let's get started. right, that was a good workout. Hope you guys got a good sweat on. And if you enjoy this workout and I want to see more, you definitely have to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button so that YouTube can be notified that you're enjoying this content and the algorithm starts pumping this upwards so that we can help more veterans and sheepdogs just like yourself get leaner, fitter, and harder to kill. All right, guys, another one coming down the pipe. Hope you enjoyed this one. Love to see what you thought of it in the comments. See you on the next one. Train hard, fight easy. Peace.